Hey sis, are you searching for the perfect lip combo? If so, I think you're gonna love this. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and testing the VIP lip combo kit from Glamlite to see if they're really worth the hype. So grab your favorite drink, relax, and watch until the end. Final thoughts. We're trying this one first. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is hot chocolate. Take a look at this packaging, guys. It is like perfect combo for dessert lover and lips combo lover. The lip gloss and the lip pencil, guys. This lip pencil glides, okay? No struggles over here, no stiffness over here, no dryness. It glides and it's moisturized, that I will tell you. And the gloss smells like dessert. Delicious. The lip glosses are pigmented, okay? Look at that combo, guys. I'm sorry, I could not even pick a favorite because they were all so beautiful. By the way, I am Cecily's Beauty and I share beauty gems that can help you elevate your look the easy way, okay? I got you. If this aligns with your vibes, I would love for you to follow and subscribe and be a part of my beauty community. So next we're gonna do pink frosting. Super cute, right? I would also like you guys to know that the packaging that I got is a bundle kit and unfortunately it's currently sold out, but you can definitely check out their website to see the individual kit and always sign up for their newsletter to be the first to get when they restock. And that combo oh, see, I could have picked a favorite because they were all so perfect and so beautiful and worked perfectly well with my skin tone. The aesthetic of this brand and the whole concept just comes together so beautifully. Hats off to the creative teams at the Glamlite. They really understood the assignment. Now we're gonna do glazed donuts, also an absolutely beautiful lip combo shade. And yes, you can definitely mix and match the glosses and the lip pencil just so you know what face you want. So yeah, just do your thing and see what you see at the end of the day. This entire collection just looks like the perfect set of nude for a darker skin tone, which also looks perfectly in my skin tone. Now we're gonna be feeling cinnamon swirl. Some of you guys, I love my cinnamon swirl. I think I saw the package and I like it in that. And this also is a favorite of mine. I'm going back to pick some more of for something. I need it. I need that sugar. Look how beautiful and delicious and edgy that is. How it goes perfectly in my hand. But yeah. And this one was also another favorite of mine. Again, goes perfectly with my look. Again, there's not much I can say. Nothing but perfection. This entire video is nothing but the dolphin booster for Max, literally. Okay, so you guys see how the lip tint and the lip gloss and the lipstick match perfectly together. And I just love how the lip gloss, I was scared at first, but I just love how it did the lip combo. And it was so perfect without the lip gloss and the lip gloss. I could have messed it. But yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed this review and you're able to get prep yourself some of this. Also, let me know in the comment section if you will be giving this a try and which shade caught your eye. Go ahead and check out my other products review to help you if you're looking for any beauty product to help you elevate your beauty look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.